Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So it's been now over a week since I've been using now Twitter Blue. So what is Twitter Blue? So Twitter Blue is a new service that Twitter has released where it allows users to pay per month to use some exclusive features on Twitter, of course. So what are some of those features? So some of those features, of course, come with you could do an undo tweet before it goes live on the Twitter platform. You could bookmark now some tweets as well. And there's a new read view for threads as well, which actually is really nice to read. So yeah, it's an amazing feature, the threads part. And of course, you get some nice little extra little things. So like you could change the app icon, of course, of the Twitter app. You can also change the colors of within the app as well. So you could change to green, blue, uh, whatever you wanted to. So those are just some of the features right now that you're only able to do with Twitter Blue. And of course, Twitter Blue is only exclusive right now in Canada and in Australia, which is amazing and surprising that we were one of the first people to receive that feature. So this video is pretty much, is it worth it to pay for Twitter Blue? And in my opinion, no, it's not worth it right now. Maybe in the future, if Twitter maybe makes something cool out of the platform, where it will not just help users, but also if you're a creator on Twitter, then also for that as well. Because you could pretty much get all of these features that Twitter has released on third-party Twitter apps as well. The only difference, of course, is that it's on the main Twitter app. So, of course, it will get much more attention on the Twitter app, and it will get first exclusive rights and everything since it is by Twitter and it's made by Twitter as well. But a lot of these features, you can find them on third-party apps like Avery, like Tweetbot, like TweetDeck. There's so much third-party Twitter clients out there that a lot of those features have been already out for a very long time on those third-party Twitter apps right there. The only difference, of course, is the undo tweet. I don't think it's available, of course, on third-party apps, third-party Twitter apps. So that feature, of course, is only exclusive, I think, on the Twitter app. I might be wrong. I hope I'm not wrong. But yeah, it's just one of those, nice features. If you want to send a tweet and you want to do it, you can undo it. And so yeah, it's just a nice little feature right there, the undo tweet. But other than that, it's not pretty much worth it. You could just pay for a third-party app, a third-party Twitter app. You could pay it outright on the app, and you never have to pay a monthly subscription like Avery. You just pay, I think it's only $5 Canadian, and then from there you get all these features that that Twitter is just right now getting right now, and will probably be slowly rolling out more features, of course, in the later coming months. But for now, it is not worth it to pay for. It's not worth it to pay for Twitter Blue, in my opinion. But maybe in the future, like I said, that Twitter might release some new cool features. But for now, it's not worth it. So that's pretty much it. A small little rant of if it's worth it or not to pay for Twitter Blue. And the answer, of course, is no right now. Only if you are a power Twitter user, of course, and you really need an undo tweet and you want to change the app icon as well and you want to bookmark as well, which, like I said, you could do that on third-party Twitter apps. Then other than that, and also if you want to support the company Twitter as well, and if you just want to always be sure that you'll receive those features and have those features first on the main Twitter app, then yeah, it's worth it for that. But other than that, there's nothing really anything exciting or anything like that other than you're paying to use a free service that you can use, of course, if you see, and you still get ads as well. That's one thing I was surprised to see. I thought maybe I'll get less ads or something, but yeah, I still get the same amount of ads that I see on my Twitter feed as well. So that sucks. But other than that, it's just a fun little thing. I just like it just for the app icon designs. Maybe Twitter might release some new cool app icon designs. But other than that, there's nothing really exciting about Twitter Blue. So that's pretty much it. And as always, if you guys did enjoy this video, please do hit the subscribe button because that does help a lot. Like the video as well because like that the algorithm could push me out. And as always, I will see you guys later.